Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, this is a follow-up to my shop with me at Dollarama. So I do have a haul and it's a rather large haul and I'm super duper excited to share it with you because I found so many cool finds. So if you want to see what I purchased at Dollarama this time around, you know the drill. Please keep on watching. Okay, so in no particular order, some stuff that I buy on a regular basis. I purchased this Betty Crocker parchment paper. There are 10 sheets in here, and I absolutely love this for baking, for DIYs, roasting. Pretty much I use it all the time, and I like it because it already comes pre-cut individual sheets, and I use it and toss it, and this was $1.25. So love this, and this is always a repurchase for me. I purchased a package of the 10 snack size Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. This is our favorite chocolate here in our household. So I picked up a package of those, and you can see it's still intact. Can you believe it? Yep. Again, I'm just pulling things out randomly, so they're in absolutely no particular order. I picked up some of the AIM floss picks. These are my go-to, and they're mint waxed. There's 75 pieces for $2. Okay, another food item are by the Amador brand, and they're these rice cakes with chocolate, and they're gluten-free, product of Poland. It's 90 grams, and these are so good. So they're rice cakes with a bit of chocolate, so if you're craving some chocolate but you don't want to indulge, these are fantastic, and these are $1.25. Absolutely love these. Love sending them for snacks. Isabella absolutely adores these. So we picked up 2 packages. I'll go through some of my food items first, so I don't forget. Also picked up this Nutella and Go breadsticks. Again, just for snacks to put in our little snack bin. So that's for Isabella. We love roasted chestnuts. These ones here, they're by the Gourmet D brand, and these are $1.25. They're so good. If you love chestnuts, chestnuts are not everybody's cup of tea, but we do like them here. And these are peeled. These are super yummy. And I think that is it for the food items. If it's not, we'll come across them. So I found the tea towel that everyone's been searching for. It was on my hunt list, and I finally found it. Super excited. And that is the lemon tea towel. It's by the Maison brand. It was $2. And look how gorgeous that is. It's so pretty. If I'm not mistaken, I understand they have oven mitts to match. Those were not available at my store, but my primary hunt item was this kitchen towel. Super nice, good quality, and I can't wait to put it in my kitchen. This was also new at my Dollarama, and I had to pick them up. These are the wall decals, and there's 24 removable pieces, and they're foil. They're the heart foil. So let's see if they're actually like so. Okay, so you can put them in a room and just make it really pretty. And this is what the back looks like. So again, you can put it, and you don't have to worry about ruining your wall because they are removable. And as I mentioned on my shop with me, I've seen these on Etsy. I've seen these on eBay for a lot more money. And I bought 2 packages for $1.50. I think this is a fantastic deal. And if you're just wanting to spruce up your room or your decor or your wall, if your wall is not in the best shape, but right now it's not in the budget to paint, you can definitely use this and make it super nice. I'm so excited about that. They had new wax melts at my store. Now I usually don't purchase candles or wax melts from a dollar store, but these seem pretty decent. I'm not sure how the throw is, so we'll definitely give those a try. But I did pick by the Home Deco brand or Home Deco brand. I purchased a sandalwood and a blue water. And the wax looks like so. And they did have other scents. They had a cotton scent, which is like a laundry scent. And they also had a vanilla cream, and they had a rose scent. I'm not into roses whatsoever, or any flowery type scents, but we'll definitely give these a try. On cold, they're pretty decent, but again, we'll see how they are when I melt them. Okay, this was, for me, probably the best deal, the best item for this haul, and for hauls in the past. Super excited I found this. Look at this, guys. This is from Dollarama. It is a happy planner. Can you believe it? They have a happy planner. It's a 12-month happy planner. It is the mini, and you can see it's empty, so you just enter the months, the days, so you know it's not going to expire on you. And at the front it has the different stickers for the months, and you know it's divided just like you know a happy planner is. And it says here that this retails for $19.99, and I got this for $4. The best find to me, in my opinion. It's start the car find. Awesome, amazing. If you can pick a couple of these up, they make great gifts, stocking stuffers. You know, if you're slowly getting into planning, you know, loot bags for, you know, older kids. They're just amazing. I wish I had found more. I only found the one, but it was like destined to be. So I'm so happy I found this. So again, keep an eye out because it is out there. Okay, I picked up these again by the Home Deco brand. It's a string of lights. There's 10 lights. LED length is 67 inches or 1.7 meters long, and it does require 2 AA batteries, not included. And it looks like these bulbs here. So they're super chunky bulbs. And I thought this would be so cute for outdoors, you know, in your patio, in your deck. Super cute. So I had to pick one of these up. Don't know how strong the actual light emits, but I thought they were so cute. Picked up a sketchbook for Isabella. Isabella right now is so into tracing, sketching, drawing. That is her go-to right now, which is, anything that keeps her off the electronics is great. So I picked her up one of those, and there are 30 sheets, 9 inches by 12 inches, or for those who use centimeters, 23 by 30.5 centimeters. Okay guys, let's go through this a lot quicker because I told you it's a long haul and I have a lot to show you. Okay, so I just picked up one of these scissors. I like to use this, you know, if I'm trimming my bangs or whoever bangs for that matter. These work really well and they're really sharp. So I picked up a set of these. These were $1.25. I picked up a package of 8 bag clips. These were $2.50. Loving the colors, and I always like to have these, you know, to close off chip bags, french fry bags, just so you know, so they don't get stale. And plus they always disappear. You know, I like to change up my loofahs every month, every 6 weeks or so. So I picked up another one of those, and this is in the purple and white. Just a random find. I picked up a Coffee Mate for those times that I run out of my half and half cream. I like to have this on hand because I don't drink absolutely black coffee. For Isabella, I picked up this paintbrush set, and there are 7 pieces in here. I hadn't seen these at my store before, but picked up those. Picked up this exfoliating brush. It's Deep Clean Your Skin. It's by Urban Butterfly. And you can see that's on the one end, and this is on the other here. So it's two-sided design, fits all your skincare needs. Fine silicone brush with deep exfoliation. Super soft bristles for gentle cleanse. It removes dead skin, cleans pores, and prevents blemishes with ease for smooth and even skin. And it's compatible with any skincare product. And you can see that there. So I thought I would give that a try. Isabella saw this little picture frame, super cute to pass up. It's I Believe in Mermaids, and look at the little pom-poms, those bright colored pom-poms with the little pretty mermaid in the back, and it comes with a satin ribbon to hang. This was $1.50. Super duper cute. We also seen this unicorn. It's a color changing unicorn, and it's battery operated. And yeah, we thought this is super cute to keep in her room. She loves unicorns and mermaids, and oh, really, what doesn't she love? And we are going on vacation very, very soon. So we bought some water floaties. So we bought this one with the mermaid. This is a swimming ring. That one was $1.50. We also got the Mud Master Swim Ring. And that one was $4. We also got this Pool Play Game Center. And that one was $4. So these will be a lot of fun to play in the pool. We got this bubbly bubble blaster. It lights up and blows bubbles. So who doesn't love bubbles on a hot summer day? Only problem is there hasn't been any hot summer days, not in Southern Ontario anyways. So this will be fun, hopefully. Now that school's almost out. Oh, here's one more. We also picked up an inflatable noodle for $3. Oh, this was, I guess, thrown in the basket here. We got a Lost Kitty. And that is a toy, I'm assuming. So we got one of those. Oh, I needed some metal shower curtain hooks, so I picked up a package of those. These were $1.25. And we're nearing the end, people. Yes, we are nearing the end. Oh, I also bought, this was new at my dollar store, and perfect timing because I was just looking for one of these to clean my windows. So it's a telescopic window squeegee. You can see there, it's $4. So it has the sponge here to wash, and then the squeegee to remove the excess water. And you can see it is telescopic. So if you have tall windows, you can reach those. And then you can just retract it as well. So I was happy to find that, and I can't wait to put that into use because my windows sure need some cleaning. And more of a novelty item, we picked up these hand fans, no battery required. It's all powered by hand. It's a little bit noisy, but it does, you know, if you put it close to your face, it does have a nice breeze. So we picked up 2 of those. So I think that brings my Dollarama haul to an end. A lot of neat items I found. Super excited to put these to use. Let me know down below what you've been finding at your Dollarama. They are certainly stepping up their game. Have a lot of brand name items. Only problem is they're like $4 each. So if you buy multiple $4 items, it can add up. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stayed to the very end and you know, spent a little bit of your time with me, because I certainly enjoyed sharing it with you. So again, thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.